How would you like to introduce yourself?
I am Aldemar Acevedo. I am from Colombia, biologist. I have been living in Chile for 6 years, but all my project and my professional investigation is in Colombia, and I am working with ecology and conservation.
What drives you in conservation?
Um, from a lot of years when I start studying biology, I began to saw different problems in my country, like habitat degradation, problems with the different communities, and many gaps in different information about species, and that I start to interested in any issues in conservation.
So, what is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal definitely are frogs,
Why?
because they are a multiple variety of colors. They have a lot of important function in ecosystems and have a lot of interaction with other animals, habitats, and have part of the culture of multiple communities.
If finance is not an issue, in which part would you like to go for a visit? For boarding or for harping or
Maybe in Borneo,
why?
because for a lot of years I saw different documentals about the great diversity that inhabit in Borneo, and it's a tropical place very similar to my country, but the different in animal species is very fantastic, and that is a dream that I hope.
So, what animal would you like to be in your next life?
In my next life, I think maybe a bear.
Bird.
Bear,
Why?
because it's a big animal that can move a lot of day for a lot of time. It's come to transform the ecosystem, can spread a lot of different seeds in your bodies, and that is a way to reconstruction the ecosystem, and it's an animal that can contact with a lot of habitats, times, and represent in the culture of multiple communities a big message and important to different people.
So, what conservation message would you like to give to the world?
That each action is important. Each thing that you can do is important to make any change, and in your home, with your family, in your job, it's important to each action that you can do that can in general do a big change in our world.
Thank you.
Thank you.